So I took a client for an inspection, and during the inspection, they showed him the estate layout. And guess what? He has no idea of what an estate layout is. So what then is an estate layout? An estate layout is simply the map of an estate. Just like the map of Nigeria show where the states in Nigeria are located. An estate layout shows where your plot is. It shows where the drainage systems, where the infrastructures that will be happening in the estate, where they are located, right? For instance, now, if you want to build a house, you will need a building plan. Same thing with an estate layout. An estate layout shows you exactly where your plot sits. This is where your plot is. Plot 1, plot 2, plot 3. This is where your plot is. It shows you where the road will pass. So before you pay for any land, ask for the approved estate layout. And if you don't understand it, ask question. Ask them to explain the estate layout to you. Because when you understand the estate layout, you are going to understand what is happening around your property.